Ever wondered what happens when a Hollywood action hero accidentally stumbles into the wonderfully wacky world of British pantomime? It's a question that forms the heart of a brand new style cinema film. And the answer is chaos, laughter, and a whole lot of sequins. Uh, Filming took place in Leeds amidst a flurry of activity and the cast list that reads like who's who of British and uh, American talent. The production aimed to capture the joyful spirit of local pantos, those community driven spectacles that light up towns and cities every winter. Kiefer Sutherland stars as Bradley Mack, a fading American action star finding himself unexpectedly cast as Buttons in a small town production of Cinderella. Rebel Wilson plays Jill, the choreographer tasked with guiding him through this bizarre new territory. Mira Sayal, who plays the director Cassie, describes the film as a celebration of pantomime's enduring appeal. She's seen countless pantos throughout her career and understands the magic they hold for both performers and audiences. The cast is a delightful mix of seasoned performers and fresh faces, including Sir Derek Jacobi, Danny Dyer, Alice Eve, and Moan Rizwan. Catherine Ryan plays Mac's agent, navigating the absurdity of her client's unexpected career detour. Sutherland admits his knowledge of pantomime was limited before joining the project. He quickly discovered a world of slapstick audience participation and cross-dressing characters. It was a far cry from the intense dramas he's known for. The actor embraced the challenge, throwing himself into dance rehearsals and learning the unique conventions of British theater. He found the experience surprisingly rewarding and praised the film's choreography team for their guidance. Moan Rizwan, a BAFTA winner, plays a local Stoneford resident with a variety of jobs. He recalls a particularly stressful scene involving a vintage Volkswagen camper van and a dodgy gear stick, with the entire A-list cast crammed inside. Maria Friedman, a stage veteran, was drawn to the script's humor and the opportunity to work alongside Sutherland Cancer. She's a longtime fan of his work, especially his iconic role in the series 24. Jason Manford, a seasoned panto performer, served as Sutherland's guide to the world of British pantomime. He explained the traditions, the jokes, and the importance of audience interaction because Manford believes that pantomime is a vital part of British theater, providing entertainment for all ages and keeping many venues afloat. And he's proud to be a part of tradition that brings joy to so many people. You know, and the film is a heartwarming and hilarious tribute to the magic of pantomime, capturing its unique blend of silliness, spectacle, and community spirit. It's a feel-good movie that's sure to become a Christmas classic. Catherine Ryan confidently declares that Tinseltown possesses the same festive charm as the beloved film Elf. High praise indeed. And speaking of festive fun, why did the snowman call his dog Frost? Because he bites. With that said, thanks for watching, and